Do you have any idea what old doctors did years ago? Well, let me tell you. They found a powerful remedy by mixing apple cider vinegar with baking soda, and they saw results in just 7 days. This combo worked wonders for various health issues. Now, I'm excited to share why this blend is like a hidden gem in the world of natural medicine, and how it could potentially help you tackle those stubborn health problems you've been dealing with for ages. But here's the catch. Using apple cider vinegar the wrong way can actually do more harm than good. That's why I'm going to show you the safe and effective way to whip up this blend so you can get the benefits without the risks. So, stick around and let's dive right in. Natural heartburn relief. Heartburn can really catch you off guard, making you feel miserable out of nowhere. But here's the good news. This easy blend of apple cider vinegar and baking soda can quickly calm things down. The baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes the acid, working in harmony with the apple cider vinegar to ease that burning feeling in your chest almost instantly. Plus, this mixture helps stabilize your stomach's pH levels, which can support smoother digestion and keep everything running more comfortably. Now here's how to use it. Start by pouring yourself a glass of water and adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, along with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good stir until everything's blended together. Then, sip it slowly and let the mixture work its magic. You should start feeling some soothing relief in your stomach in just a few minutes. But remember, only use this remedy when you really need it, and don't go overboard. Too much of a good thing can sometimes cause unwanted side effects, so stick to moderation. Eases joint pain and inflammation. Joint pain can be tough to deal with, especially as we get older. But guess what? This apple cider vinegar and baking soda combo might just be the relief you've been looking for. Apple cider vinegar is packed with potassium, magnesium, and acetic acid, ingredients that work together to help reduce inflammation and ease stiffness in your joints. Meanwhile, baking soda helps by alkalizing your body, bringing down those acidity levels that often make joint pain worse. It's a simple remedy that can make a big difference in how you feel. How to make it work for you? Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once a day. After just a week, you might start noticing less stiffness and more comfort in your joints. And for an extra soothing touch, soak a cloth in this mixture and place it directly on the sore area for about 20 minutes. It's a gentle, natural way to let this remedy work its magic right where you need it most. Give it a try and see how it feels. Boosts digestive health. Dealing with digestive issues like bloating, gas, or constipation can really put a damper on your day. But this apple cider vinegar and baking soda blend could be the simple solution your stomach's been craving. Apple cider vinegar is packed with beneficial acids and enzymes that help boost stomach acid production, making it easier for your body to break down food. Meanwhile, baking soda works to neutralize any extra stomach acid, easing acidity and helping your digestion run more smoothly. It's a natural remedy that can bring you some much-needed relief. Here's how you can introduce this remedy into your day. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it before a big meal to give your digestive system a little extra support. You'll feel lighter and more comfortable in no time. And if bloating is something you often deal with after eating, this easy mixture might just become your new best friend. Give it a try and see how much better you feel. Promotes detoxification. Sometimes our bodies need a little extra boost to get rid of those unwanted toxins. That's where this apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix comes in. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge to help its natural detox process. Apple cider vinegar is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support liver health, while baking soda helps alkalize the body, lowering acidity levels that can lead to toxin buildup. When these two are used together, they give your kidneys and liver, the body's main detox organs, a helping hand to keep you feeling your best. How can you make the most of this detox drink? Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Doing this every day for a week can give your body a gentle reset, leaving you feeling more refreshed and energized. It's a simple daily habit that can make a noticeable difference in your overall health and well-being. Give it a shot and see how much better you feel. Improve skin health. Skin issues. Who hasn't faced them at some point, right? Whether it's acne, age spots, or just general dullness, getting that healthy glow can feel like a struggle. But here's the good news. This apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix might be just the remedy your skin needs. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your skin's pH and has antibacterial properties that fight off those pesky acne-causing bacteria. Meanwhile, baking soda serves as a gentle exfoliant, sloughing off dead skin cells and helping to create a smoother, more radiant texture. It's a simple solution for a little extra skin love. Now here's a way to use this blend. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add a splash of water to dilute the mixture, then use a cotton ball to gently apply it to your face, steering clear of your eyes. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. For the best results, do this 2 to 3 times a week. You'll notice your skin feeling refreshed and looking more radiant in no time. Enhances oral health. Bad breath and gum issues can catch us off guard, but this apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix might be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties that help eliminate harmful bacteria in your mouth, while baking soda works to neutralize acids and freshen your breath. Together, this dynamic duo not only keeps your mouth clean, but also promotes healthier gums and teeth. It's a simple solution to help you smile with confidence. Here's how to use it. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of water. Use this blend as a mouthwash by swishing it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times a week to keep your breath fresh and promote healthier gums. Just remember to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your tooth enamel. This small habit can truly enhance your daily oral care routine. Alleviates acid reflux. Acid reflux? What a pesky issue that can spoil even the best days. But here's some good news. The apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix can provide some much-needed relief. It might seem strange to use vinegar for acid reflux, but apple cider vinegar can actually help balance your stomach acid levels, reducing the likelihood of acid creeping up into your esophagus. Meanwhile, baking soda, with its alkaline properties, works to neutralize any excess stomach acid, calming that uncomfortable burning sensation. It's a simple remedy that can help you feel better. Here's how to use this remedy. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Sip it slowly before your meals, or whenever you start to feel that familiar acid reflux creeping in. This mixture can help ease your discomfort and promote better digestion, allowing you to enjoy your meals without that annoying burning sensation. Give it a try and feel the difference. Reduces uric acid levels. Elevated uric acid levels can cause joint pain and lead to conditions like gout, but this apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix could be the natural solution you're looking for. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps break down and eliminate uric acid from the body. Meanwhile, baking soda works to alkalize the body, making it easier to dissolve those pesky uric acid crystals. Together, they can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain in your joints, leaving you feeling much more comfortable. How to incorporate this into your routine? Combine 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it once a day, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. With consistent use, you should start to notice reduced stiffness and swelling in your joints. It's a simple step, my friend, that can help you feel more active and pain-free. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits. Fights fungal infections. Now let's chat about those pesky fungal infections like athlete's foot or nail fungus. They can be so stubborn, right? But the apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix provides a natural way to tackle these issues. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antifungal properties, which can help disrupt the growth of fungi. At the same time, baking soda creates an alkaline environment that makes it tough for fungi to thrive. Together, they create a powerful, natural antifungal treatment that can help you get back to feeling your best. Here's how to use this remedy. For external infections, combine equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Soak a cotton ball in this mixture and apply it to the affected area, allowing it to sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Repeat this process twice daily until you start to see the infection clear up. With regular use, you'll likely notice a significant improvement in the condition of your skin and nails. Keep at it, and you'll be on your way to feeling better. Balances pH levels. Keeping your body's pH balance in check is essential for overall health, my friend. When our bodies become too acidic, it can lead to all sorts of problems like fatigue, inflammation, and digestive issues. But don't worry, this apple cider vinegar and baking soda mix can help restore that balance. Even though apple cider vinegar is acidic, It actually has an alkalizing effect once metabolized. Meanwhile, baking soda works directly to neutralize excess acidity in the body. Together, they create a more alkaline environment that supports better health and vitality. It's a simple yet effective way to feel your best. Here's a gentle way to incorporate this mix into your routine. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This easy habit can help you feel more balanced and energized throughout the day. It's like giving your body a fresh start, helping everything run smoothly and comfortably. Try it out and see how great you feel. Supports heart health. As we age, my friend, taking care of our hearts becomes more crucial than ever. This apple cider vinegar and baking soda combination could be just the boost your heart needs. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure. Meanwhile, baking soda helps keep your body's pH balanced, supporting overall cardiovascular function. Together, they form a natural remedy that promotes healthy blood circulation and enhances heart health. It's a simple yet effective way to give your heart the care it deserves. To use this mixture for your heart, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it once daily, ideally in the morning. With consistent use over time, this blend may help promote healthier cholesterol levels and a more balanced blood pressure, supporting a stronger heart. It's a simple habit that can be your daily act of love for your body. Give it a try and feel the difference. Boosts energy levels. Feeling sluggish and tired during the day? This apple cider vinegar and baking soda blend could be just the natural pick-me-up you need. Apple cider vinegar helps your body break down fats and proteins more efficiently, giving you a steady source of energy. Meanwhile, baking soda helps balance your body's pH and reduces the buildup of lactic acid, which often causes fatigue. The result? An energy boost that keeps you feeling active and refreshed throughout the day. Give it a try and see how much better you feel. To use this remedy, combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink this mixture mid-morning or whenever you need a little energy boost. Within just a few days, you'll likely notice more consistent energy levels, helping you tackle daily activities with renewed vitality. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge to keep moving forward. Try it out and feel the difference. Eases sinus congestion. Sinus congestion can really make everything feel challenging, can it? But the apple cider vinegar and baking soda combination can help clear those sinuses and ease the pressure. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural decongestant, breaking down mucus, while baking soda's alkaline properties work to reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Together, they create a simple yet effective way to help you breathe more freely. Give it a try and enjoy some relief. Here's how to use it. Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Slowly sip this mixture to soothe your throat and nasal passages. For added relief, you can also add a few drops to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. Doing this once daily can help keep sinus congestion at bay, leaving you feeling clear-headed and refreshed. Give it a try and breathe easier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You might also want to check out our other video titled "Just 1 glass of baking soda water can do this to your body." It's an old doctor's remedy that's packed with valuable insights. I think you'll really enjoy it.